fast the water's going. Hurry up! Get out of your kayak. I'm recording you right now. Because you gotta learn. Oh, I think I stepped on a turtle. What? Alright, you have to swim out there before we even start. Oh, dude, he's gonna pull you. Alright, look, we have to lay down and we're picking up our butts and our feet go up so we don't hit any rocks. Come on. A river like this? Are you ready? Come on. You want me to hold your hand? Come on! You motherfucker! Come on! You gotta swim! Swim out so you don't hit rocks! Come on! You get your butt up! Hit the rapids! On the right! Go on the right, Chris! On the right! On the right! Come on! On the right! Go on the right! Go on the right! So on the right! Go on! So on the right! Pick your... You gotta pick your butt up, bro! Pick your butt up! Pick your butt up! Pick your butt up! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Here you go, Irvin.
Don't pull me down! Oh, big rock! Big rock! Dude, hey, I can't wait. Yeah, if you get out of the kayak, you just float it like that on your back, pick your butt up, and you're gonna be looking for your kayak, okay?